So I got these floor mats for my Nissan Rogue that I have, and there's just several things I really like about them. So I wanted to show you what they look like. First of all, the thing I like is that they come up around the sides, so my carpet down underneath is completely covered. You can see it's got this rim all the way around the side, and then up here, this is the driver's side. And so all the way around it is completely covered. And then it's got like these little grooves. So like if you get mud or dirt in water, it just kind of helps soak it down in. And then all you have to do is literally, I can take like the vacuum and sweep it out if it's just dirt, or take this whole thing up and then just rinse them off with water, and they come really clean. They're heavy duty. I mean, you can tell how thick they are. And like I said, they don't move around, they don't slide around. I've had some that were kind of a cheaper quality and didn't hold up as good. But this is the driver's side, and then this is the back seat. And the thing I like about this is all one piece. It's connected. We have grandkids and they tend to get a little messy. They like to eat in the car, but this is all connected. So everything that falls, again, this has the high side to it, and it goes clear back underneath my seat. So anybody that's wanting to put their feet, if they're long-legged, up there, it's all going to be covered if they have muddy shoes and stuff. And if you're in the middle, same thing here. So like I said, this is like a very hard, durable plastic. Again, just easy to clean. And so you can see what it looks like on both sides. And we have this cargo mat that goes in the back, and again, it's got the lip on the back side, so anything you know, is going to keep from protecting the carpeting there. And then also on the sides over here, and even on the front, it has a smaller one, but it fits just perfect, so it doesn't go over the hook to shut my car. So if I back up and show you what it looks like, again, this is heavy duty. We've had it, I don't know, and it just hasn't, it's just held up great. Hasn't had any issues with it. This is what it looks like on this side again, if you can't see. And let me show you the passenger side. And the passenger side is the same way. It has the upper lip of it there too. So anyway, just highly recommend. We've been very satisfied, easy to clean. If you're looking for good floor mats, I would highly recommend these.